Hello student, good morning. In previous video we have seen we studies just introduction of HDI, Human Development Index, as well as we have seen some other countries, okay, their ranks, their HDI and their level of development. Today's video we will see Human Development Index. Really, what is meant by Human Development Index? Page number 48. The Human Development Index hold an important place in the study of human condition related to international economic development. So, dear students, in previous video we have seen Moh Ui Haq and Amartya Sen. These two economists, okay, put forth the concept of HDI, okay, in the world, and with the help of that HDI, okay, United National Development Program accept, okay, this concept. That's why they hold important place in the study of human condition related to international economic development. Means with the help of HDI we can measure, we can accurate measure how is the development of that particular person, okay, or you can say and relate to economic developments. Means, dear students, you know that our Indian economy is depend on your earnings, okay, हम कितना कमाते हैं, okay, how is the job opportunities, okay, how is our living up standard, how is your life expenditure, okay, मतलब all these things are depend on your economy. That's why HDI is also depend in our Indian economy. Today it is commonly accepted that only economic prosperity does not mean development. So only economic prosperity means does not development. सिर्फ economic prosperity, okay, it is right, okay, you earn a lot of prosperity, or you can say property according to capacity. Means it means that it is not total development is what? Development is what? Okay, so they means the meaning of HDI means only economic prosperity means not development. This is not just expectation of individual but also region of the country, and it is not also the individual you can say prosperity or individual development. Is you can say relate to your regional, your state, as well as your countries, how is your okay, conditions. That's why HDI, Human Development Index, okay, it related to your individual as well as your regional as well as your country's development. ओके, मतलब ये HDI सिर्फ एक आदमी का ये इंडेक्स नहीं बनता उसका, ओके, मतलब वो पूरे तुम्हारा रीजनल डेवलपमेंट कैसा है, तुम्हारा प्रादेशिक, तुम्हारा रीजन, जिस स्टेट में जिस जगह पे तुम रहते हो कि वहाँ का नेशनल यू कैन से इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट कैसा हो रहा है, ओके, एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर डिपेंड ऑन योर कंट्री डेवलपमेंट. मतलब अगर तुम्हारा गाँव अच्छा है, ओके, तुम्हारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट अच्छा रहेगा, डिस्ट्रिक्ट अच्छा तो स्टेट, ओके, ऑल दिस थिंग्स चेन ऑफ डेवलपमेंट. So the Human Development Index is used as index to measure regional development. That's why they use to measure the regional development. How to measure the regional, उस region का particular उस प्रदेश का development कैसा होता है. They use the index. They use the stick. This how to measure. Okay, they use the stick to measure the regional development. While computing this index, three main parameters have been considered. So, how to measure, okay, and to while measuring the you can say condition, while measuring the condition of that particular region, they use three parameters. They use three parameters. The first is economic parameter. First point is economic parameter, means standard of living, means the people, how is the conditions of the people, okay, those who are living in that particular regions, उसका living up standard कैसा है. Next parameter is health parameter, life एक्सपेंडिचर, उसका हेल्थ पैरामीटर मीन्स उसकी हेल्थ कंडीशंस, उस प्रदेश में, उस शहर में ओके रहने वाले लोगों की हेल्थ कंडीशंस कैसी है, ओके हेल्थ पैरामीटर। एंड द लास्ट इज एजुकेशन पैरामीटर, मीन्स नंबर ऑफ ईयर स्कूलिंग, उसका एजुकेशन स्टैंडर्ड कैसा है, ओके इट्स ओके ऑल दिस थिंग्स, ओके दिस थ्री वी हैव सीन थ्री पैरामीटर, इकोनॉमिक पैरामीटर, हेल्थ पैरामीटर एंड एजुकेशन पैरामीटर, ओके दे यूज थ्री पैरामीटर व्हाइल मेजरिंग द रीजनल डेवलपमेंट। उस रीजनल डेवलपमेंट कितना है ये मेजर करने के लिए, ओके ये कैलकुलेट करने के लिए वी यूज दिस थ्री पैरामीटर। द वैल्यू ऑफ ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स रेंज फ्रॉम 0 to 1, कितना है 0 to 1, 0 to 1, ओके दे यूज इट्स नंबर 0 to 1, highly developed region have value close to 1, and those country or those region are, you can say, high development, very high development, okay they use them to 1 number, and as the level of development goes down, और जैसे उसका डेवलपमेंट की लेवल ओके नीचे जाती है, ओके मतलब गोज डाउन, द वैल्यू ऑफ HDI डिक्रीजेस, इट इज रियली ओके द वैल्यू ऑफ HDI ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा, डिक्रीज हो जाएगा। मतलब जैसे जैसे उसकी लेवल, उसका डेवलपमेंट कम होता रहेगा, उसका HDI कम रहेगा। इन द एरिया विथ वेरी लिटल डेवलपमेंट द वैल्यू ऑफ इंडेक्स इज क्लोज टू 0, एंड दोज एरिया हैव वेरी वेरी लेस डेवलपमेंट, ओके देयर HDI इज क्लोज टू 0, और उसका HDI कितना रहेगा 0। वी हैव सीन okay they use their, you can see it is a they use two numbers 0 to 1. So we have seen those country have a highly developed countries, or those region is very high developed region, okay this parameter gives nearly to 1, कितना दिया है 1, and those country or those region are, you can see, very less or very little development, okay they use them 0 numbers. So dear students, in this video we have seen the human development. Next point, dear students, see page number 49. On the page number 49, okay there is a map, which map? Maharashtra map, okay all of you know it is a map of Maharashtra, okay so see this map carefully, okay there are districts names, and these all the districts are, you can say, okay is colorful. So by using, okay by observing this maps of Maharashtra, okay you have to solve, it is a homework for you, you have to solve all these questions. Means the first question is, which are the most densely populated districts, which are the most densely populated districts in the map of Maharashtra, which districts, कौन सा जिला densely populated, मतलब वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा population, okay for that you have to study the index. See their index more than 1000, see there more than 1000. So okay if you will see Thane, okay Pune, here okay Kolhapur, okay either Nagpur, okay this state, okay just like, okay you have to solve all the questions, okay by observing this map. I think it is very easy for you, because only you have to observe the map of Maharashtra and you have to solve all these questions. So dear students, next video we will see next portion of this lesson. Thank you.